hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel and welcome to your month end reading from 22nd of March 2021 to 31st of March 2021. Let's see how these 10 days are going to treat you. If your sun, moon, rising and Venus are in, sun or moon or Venus or your ascendant or rising or lagna is in the sign of Virgo, this video is for you. And this reading is guided by the unicorns, and that is why I'm using the unicorn oracle card. So let's see what is the message for us from the unicorns, and then I'll be using my Rider-Waite and energy oracle card to get on to some additional messages revolving around the unicorn message. Okay, for the Virgos, Archangel Michael. Use the sword of truth to help the world. All right, so Archangel Michael is the archangel of protection, the archangel who holds a sword, archangel who protects you from all sorts of negative energies, the egos and everything. He protects not just you but your belongings, your money, your reputation, your business, your home, your vehicle. So work and meditate for these 10 days with you have to meditate on Archangel Michael. And also this archangel is the archangel of truth, justice, dignity, okay, honesty. So please practice truth, justice, honesty, dignity during these 10 days. Okay, generally also you should actually follow this if you really want the blessings of Archangel Michael, and call upon Archangel Michael to really stand for that truth, for your own truth. Okay, you will receive his protection for sure. Okay, so let's see what message Archangel Michael is trying to give us with his wordings like use a sort of truth to help the world. So maybe there is some purpose behind. Also, he rules, your purpose of life, purpose of birth. Okay, so I think very similar. All earth signs are actually talking about this purpose. So all right, so you have to do something for the world, you have to create value for the world, and based on the or rather with the help of Archangel Michael. So that is why he is there in your aura. Virgos, sun, moon, rising, Venus in Virgo sign for these 10 days from 22nd to 31st of March. What do we have for you? 10 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. Okay, so it seems that you're busy, you feel burdened, you are handling a lot of things. It's a lot of pressure, and it's mainly to really settle yourself down and to become self-independent. And also, okay, so Ace of Swords is also said to be Archangel Michael's protection. This is said to be Archangel Michael's sword of truth. So I believe somehow this archangel is trying to be around you to protect you from all sorts of negative attacks, and also to help you to have this self-independence, and protect your money and your belongings and everything that belongs to you, whether it is your bank balance, your any asset that you have, or the investments and all that. And since you're busy, so I believe your money, your reputation, your self-independence, that is what Archangel Michael going to bring about as well as protect during these 10 days. So just the requirement that is there is, I believe somebody will also buy a house maybe, or sell a house. Archangel Michael is house. There's nine of Pentacles as well as 10 of Wands shows house here. I think you will get an offer for something maybe during these 9-10 days. So have a look out for it. If some property thing, something related to house, that you have been really pushing towards but trying to give up, nothing happening, but it's a lot of burden. Virgo, work with Archangel Michael. I think something will really come up divinely. Oh man, holding a coin. Yes, and this is a great, and I think you're selling a house or you're buying a house or some property or something. So this is these 10 days are really good. Somebody is coming towards you by to bring value, okay, to bring money to you, to give you that money stability. Great, not a great piece of advice, but something related with money itself. You'll feel monetarily satisfied. So supposedly if you're trying to sell a house, you'll get money, some great offer by somebody, wherein you do not have to give any discounts or something. Okay, indecision. So there is some confusion also, maybe, and that's why, and because of this, I think Archangel Michael is guiding you to be able to see the truth and say the truth. Okay, because money matters, property matters, inheritance matters, reputation, new job, anything, any legal matters, whatever. Because Archangel Michael looks after that legal contracts also. He looks after so many things. So he's around you. He will actually protect you. So in case you have any sort of indecision, you're indecisive about whom, where should it be a yes or a no, or should I do it or should I not do it, or whatever it is, take help from Archangel Michael. Please meditate with him, call upon him, invoke him, sit with him for 9 to 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes for sure. I would advise 10 minutes minimum on a daily basis for these 10 days. Work with Archangel Michael. He will protect you. He will give you the necessary information so that you can come out of this indecisiveness. One more card. Archangel Camiel, third chakra. So all right, so I think there is this indecisiveness is coming from your fears and your past failures of not being able to attract this man with money, or maybe this independence that you're looking for, or maybe you're looking for some truth to come out, but you've not been able to, and you're really tired about it and almost willing to give up. So everything of that sort is stored in your solar plexus chakra, the third chakra. So do some sort of meditation for solar chakra also. So it seems that these 10 days are a fresh start basically towards the old problems. So a fresh response, a new response, a healing response towards the older problem that you already have been facing up till now. So with the help of Archangel Michael, and also your cords are there, the energetic cords that you form, that you have, is always there, is stored in your solar plexus chakra. So do some sort of meditation so that you can clean it, and not just one day, clean it on a daily basis. So you have to do two meditations, one of Archangel Michael. Maybe you can take the Archangel Michael's sword to cut the cords stored in your solar plexus chakra, so that you can attract this man, have this clarity and this monetary independence, and whatever work you have been into, you are finally getting out of it and getting results. You will be able to see the truth, and that mental clarity will be there. Okay, interesting. But you're not alone. That's the best part, Virgo. You're not alone. You're actually not doing anything alone. Everything is happening for you. It's not happening to you. So be happy about it. What do you want? Archangel Michael and Archangel Camiel are actually helping you out. Very powerful energies. So do not give up. And do not worry also. Again, I just want to pick one more card, though it's not necessary, I believe, but still, I don't know why, but I'm, yeah. So yes, this is yet another 10. So we have two tens here. In fact, this is 37, this is 37, 3 plus 7, so 37, 37 is 37, 37 and 10, 10 are some of those numbers which are continuously coming for you. The other sign got 29, 29. So that's wonderful. I mean, I just don't know how, why did I pick these cards, and there was a strong calling from the unicorns to have conduct these readings for you people. So 10, 10, 37, 37 is also like 3 plus 7 is 10. So if we see from that side, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. So the work that you are actually stuck at the moment will get over. You're done with it. It will be, it is about to get completed. So yeah, there can be some sort of the conversation that may prick you a bit, but don't worry. Archangel Michael, see, the presence of Archangel Michael anyways portends the arrival of something that you need to be protected from, because he protects you, right? He guides you. So when do you need a protection? When there is a negativity, right? When do you need a guidance? When you're stuck, when you're indecisive. So anyways, these are there in your energies, but don't worry. Archangel Camiel and Archangel Michael are definitely helping you out. 10, 10, 10, 10. 37, 37. These are some of those numbers which are actually guiding you to finish this phase and get into a better phase, and finishing this off altogether once for lifetime in these 10 days, yet another 10. So great, Virgos, it's an amazing reading. This is a great week for you to earn money also and establish yourself. Maybe new clients you'll be getting in spite of this indecisiveness and phase completion. In terms of money also, you will find somebody offering you something. It can be a great, it can, man holding a coin. This can also be, it's not just money, it is also somebody offering you something of value. It can be a relationship. Ace of Swords is also offering. This is also offering, right? So yeah, keep clearing, keep cutting your negative energy cords with the help of the Sword of Truth and Sword of Archangel Michael, and I'm sure you are going to fly high. So I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section, Virgo. So thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Do share this video with your loved ones, and I'll be waiting for your comments. All the best. Bye bye.